how to connect PS4 to laptop with an HDMI cable. So of course, you're gonna have to make sure you have your items prepared, which is your actual laptop, your HDMI cable, and the PS4. You can go ahead and turn on both devices beforehand and go ahead connect the wire from your PS4 HDMI port to your laptop HDMI port. If your laptop doesn't have an HDMI port for some reason, you can go ahead and get yourself a USB or an HDMI to USB adapter. But if you do, then just go ahead and connect it directly to the laptop's HDMI port. After doing so, you're just gonna go ahead and open up whatever broadcasting app you have. In our case, we're just gonna go ahead and use OBS Studio. It's free. You can download it on your preferred browsers and you can choose whatever device you're using. But in OBS, just go ahead directly to the scenes and add the name of your specific scene. In our case, we're just gonna go ahead and call it for your PS4. Press an OK and add the sources. In sources, press on video capture device, name it the same thing if you want. Then press on OK. Make sure this is on as well. Once you press on OK, you should be able to see your PS4 device over here. And once you choose the option for your PS4, you should go ahead and press on OK. Since it's still gonna look like this and it's not full screen, right click on the screen of course and just choose the full screen option. So once it's full screen, you should be able to use your PS4 by via your laptop. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.